Yo, this is how you make white sundubu. Ooh. So I get asked all the time, like, hey, is there any way I can make sundubu less spicy? Here it is, check it out. All right, first thing first, we're gonna chop up our vegetables. So here we have some onion, zucchini, scallion, and mushroom, all right? So let's go. Boom. All right, so onions ready. Here goes some zucchini. I just want to show people that you can make this in 10 minutes, you know what I mean? Got some mushrooms. Alright, so here we have some scallion. Alright, so the scallion is for garnish. And also when you make pagiram. You know what pagiram is?
No.
You know what pagiram is. You really don't know what pagiram is, or you just saying that for the YouTube?
For the YouTube.
Alright, what's pagiram?
Oh god. Oil and scallion?
Yeah, so pa means scallion and kirim means oil. So most of my recipe, it starts with some pagiram. All right, so all of our vegetables ready. Now let's get to cooking, all right? All right, clean up as you guys go. Boom. Let's really try to make this in 10 minutes, okay? So high heat, but the heating up is what takes a bit time. All right, 2 tablespoons of oil. Boom. Bop. You think that's hot enough?
I think so.
Let's see. Okay, that means it's hot enough. All right, we're gonna go tablespoon of scallion, 2 tablespoons of onion. Woo, look at that. That's pagiram right there. You know what I mean? Woo. You need to get that. So we really in the restaurant. We cook before we open up the restaurant. All right, half a tablespoon of garlic. Ooh, you smell that? Mm-hmm. So 1 cup of water or anchovy stock. All right, half a tablespoon of soy sauce. A tablespoon of fish sauce. A little bit of hondashi. And some salt to taste. And some black pepper to taste. You want to make sure you salt to taste on this, okay? The reason we don't want to go more with soy sauce is because we don't want to turn the soup into something like too dark. You know what I mean? Like right now, this is perfect. With all the seafood and vegetable. All right, now we're going to throw in our seafood. Ooh. For seafood, it's going to be some shrimp, baby clam, and some squid. All right, so we're going to chop up some squid. All right, so the seafood's ready. So the only thing I'm really chopping up is some squid. Basically, it's 150 grams of seafood. You get what I'm saying? So if you like more squid, add more squid. If you like more shrimp, go more shrimp. If you don't like clam, just go more of other things. But just try to equal out to 150 grams, all right? All right, so 50 grams of shrimp, 50 grams of baby clam, or any clam actually, 50 grams of squid. Whew, look at that. So this already tasted really good. But now I could taste the ocean, the sea, the beach. You know what I mean? Yeah, I just sounded like Elon Musk. All right, a little bit of clam juice. Ooh. That way you're really gonna taste the sea. All right, so now that's boiling, we're gonna throw in the rest of the vegetables. So here goes 50 grams of onion, 25 grams of mushroom, 50 grams of zucchini. Ooh. All right, now we're gonna bring that to boil. And the last, but the most important thing, some soft tofu. All right, now we're gonna throw in the soft tofu in. Whew. Again, you don't wanna break that up too much, maybe in like big chunks, just like that. It'll break itself, just like that. Be gentle. Even if you don't break it, it's gonna break itself, okay? All right, you see all this kopum? What do you call this kopum?
Bad couple.
Bad couple. Give this to your enemy. Ah. Whew. Alright, gonna slow the heat down. Look at that. Whew. Alright, so we're gonna finish this with some scallions. Alright, now we're gonna crack our eggs. Whew. Look at that. Alright, moment of truth. 너무 맛있어. So the most important thing for this recipe is making sure you season it right with salt and a little bit of pepper, all right? All right, so let me know what you think about this, okay?
Okay.
If you don't like it, you could say you don't like it.
It's not that I don't like it. It's just more of like, I like my spice. But this is great. Especially for people who can't eat spicy. I think this is great. Because there's no spice in here, I can definitely taste the seafood. See? Taste. You know, what is that in Korean?
See? 바다?
해물맛?
Ah. So basically, since this is not overwhelmed with all the spice, you could actually taste the flavor of like the squid, the shrimp, the clam, and even the vegetables. You could even taste the vegetables, like the crunchiness and everything.
It's refreshing flavors.
Yeah, I actually make the white sundubu for my kids and my wife because I personally love the spicy sundubu, but you know, there's no way my kids could eat the sundubu, so I just make it a little bit white for them, you know? Yeah, I told them that I eat shrimp with shell sometimes. You don't like it? I don't love it, but I don't mind it.
You should have told me that.
It's interesting though, no? Or do you just feel like, ugh, I'm just eating shells? What do you like better so far?
Spicy.
Spicy all day.
All day.
See, you guys see what I mean? The tofu all breaks up anyways, you know? And this guy going crazy with the blue duck sauce. What? No point of making white sundubu for.
You should try that.
What?
The flavor of the sea is gone.
So yeah, if you're not good with spice, give this a try. I think you're gonna like it. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, we'll see y'all. Peace.
Where are you going?
I was just acting like I was going out somewhere.